All right, Math 7 students, starting our next section of this massively long unit. Actually, I think we're on one of our last ones, so that's last section, so that's a good thing. This one is called Explore Scale Copies, and what you're going to do is you're going to see there's a little black bar here with a green dot. It's called a slider, and you can grab this slider right here, drag it across, and grab this one and drag it across, and you can see what happens to these shapes. So I'm going to do the first one for you. Boom, there I did it. I slid it across, and you can see that this blue shape got bigger both this direction and got bigger this direction. The green one, though, this little green shape here, it did get bigger this direction, but it never got bigger this way. So here's the deal. In order to be a scale copy, however many times bigger it gets one direction, it must also get that many times bigger or smaller going the other direction. So notice this one got like 4 or 5 times bigger going this way and 4 to 5 times bigger going this way. This one got 4 to 5 times bigger going this way, but did not get any bigger going this way. So letter A, as we can see here, would be our scale copy. Okay, so let's look at one more here. Okay, so on this example, here's our scale slider. We're going to slide it. Okay, you will notice letter A went from here and shrunk. It became about 1/3 to 1/4 the size going this way, but it actually got bigger going this way. It actually got bigger going this way. So this is not to scale. Letter B, however, when we move this one across, it got smaller going this way, about half the size, and it got smaller going this way, again, about half the size. So this one was proportional or scaled properly going both directions. So letter B is how you do that. So that is how you do explore scale copies. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.